We have the results of an exclusive On Your Side investigation. We've uncovered safety violations at a child care center run by a Cleveland councilman.
TJ Dow founded the Dow Leadership Institute. It's a charter school that's also home to a child care center. And that's where investigator Sarah Buttison uncovered serious problems.
After getting a complaint in June, state inspectors checked out Dow's child care center and found more than 24 violations, including 3 that are considered serious. Children left unattended, children supervised by a teenager, no second adult on site as required. Those are the serious violations a state inspector found during 2 inspections at the Dow Leadership Institute's child care center in July. And that wasn't all. An inspector also documented more than 24 minor violations at the center owned by Cleveland Councilman TJ Dow. At least 1 child care staff member with currently valid training in first aid and valid infant, child, and adult CPR was not present. The inspector also found current medical statements were not on file for 25% of the children. So there was no proof the children had been vaccinated and cleared by a doctor to be at the center. The institute was told to discontinue use of the playground because it was not protected from traffic and other hazards. The inspections were sparked by a complaint made by the center's former administrator, one day after the institute notified the state she had been released.
We wanted to talk to TJ Dow about the violations state inspectors found inside this building. He turned down our request for an on-camera interview, but he did agree to answer our written questions about the issues.
Dow says the safety of the children and the staff of the Dow Leadership Institute is paramount. Since the inspections, Dow says the center has hired 3 individuals, taken steps to ensure that current medical statements are on file, and that a staff member certified in first aid and CPR is now working at the center. As for the playground, he says the center is utilizing a space approved by the state and will complete the installation of a new play space. Dow also disputes some of the inspector's findings. He says a teenager was not left in charge of children, that it was a board member's son and a staff member was supervising the children. Dow also says a second adult was in the immediate area the day the inspectors cited the center for not having another staff member on site. As required, the Dow Leadership Institute has also submitted a corrective action plan to the state. Dow says 12 children are currently enrolled in the center. Their license allows them to care for up to 26 preschoolers. On your side, I'm investigator Sarah Buttison, News Channel 5.